these, loaded with passion. Yum. The little one's coming along still. Are you counting? Are you still counting? Where is it in some out there? Oh, little tiny one still coming. Hidden away. We've missed many. You can see where the fire scorched some of the leaves ages ago. They're still dying off. The twins, they're still hanging in there. You'll love the twins. I wondered if they'd survive. Yeah, they've got some weight in them. That'll be nice. Swinging in the breeze.